Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good and I hope you're staying home and staying safe with your family and taking care of them because this is a high time which we have to take care of ourselves, not venturing out maybe for a couple of more weeks and so that whenever we see a drop in the cases, we can be a little more careful and then, you know, get on to our daily routine. Okay, so in this video, we are going to cover Bank Nifty analysis as we do every week, and we will see what is the market showing us, what is the trend of the market, and then we will also look at a strategy today. If I have to take a trade for next week, what is the kind of a trade I can make on an options strategy? And this is an advanced options which I teach you on this channel, and I'm also planning to start a one-to-one session so that if anybody who's interested to learn, they can reach out to me on my Telegram channel, which I'll put the link in the description. And I will make time to give you a one-to-one session over the weekends, and it will be completely covering technical analysis, reading charts, and also how do you ensure that you make money on a consistent basis using the advanced options. So I'll be covering all of that. So let me know if you are interested. You can reach out to me on my Telegram channel. So let's get started. So first we'll analyze the market on a monthly time frame. Let's remove all the clutter. Let's remove all the lines we have drawn here so that we get a clear picture of the market. So what is the super trend saying? Super trend is still showing that market is bullish. And if you notice, the market is resting. When I say market, please treat it as Bank Nifty. Okay, so the Bank Nifty is resting on the support level, which was the previous resistance. So it tried to break this previous month, but a lot of buying came in, and then the candle closed positively. And this month there is a green candle, with a narrow candle which is forming. So if things fall in place in next couple of weeks, this can easily shoot up the roof from here. So virus and impact of that virus in India is the only negative news, which is keeping the market at this narrow range. The moment you see things are shaping up, it is going to blast to the upside. There will be a lot of funding which will happen, and a lot of FIs will start buying, and it will take the market upwards. So be watchful of it and use this opportunity to invest and take the profits for the nearest future. Last time when the market crashed, this was the opportunity where a lot of people sold in panic, and a lot of people bought in this opportunity at 17,000 levels. I was also one of them, and we were able to ride the entire rally back up till here. So invest in small quantities at this kind of opportunities, and they will give you beautiful returns. So keep a watch on that, and let's look at this on a weekly time frame. All these red candles were showing a complete downtrend, because you see that upper wicks are high, because whenever it was trying to go up, there was a selling coming from this levels, and all narrow range candles, if you see. So this forms a huge base for future. If the market breaks out and goes above from this, whenever it wants to come back, this will be the major support for the market, because this is the kind of buying which came in this section. So now what is the market saying on a weekly time frame? Super trend is saying negative trend, because it has broken the super trend, and then it is resting at the previous support. It has formed a narrow candle, and then a narrow candle, then a narrow candle with upper wick, because it went up till the super trend, and there is a selling which came from there. Now again the market is consolidating here, and you can look at the RSI is also above 50. It's not gone below that. The volume is also pretty, buying volume is there, this which is below the threshold, but still it looks as if it's consolidating. So we have to wait and watch. This should not break. this should not break the low of this. If it breaks the low of this, it's the first indication that market will come down to this level. Okay, 23,980, which is a very crucial support, and it can come down till here if it crashes. So I hope it doesn't happen. Let's see how things shape up for us. On a daily time frame, if you see, we are bullish. See, the most powerful thing is that when your super trend aligns with your monthly, weekly, and daily, it's a sure shot buy for you. Now our monthly is bullish, but weekly is bearish, but our daily is bullish. Daily, you can see it has given an entry here, then it came till super trend, took the retracement in this zone because this was previous support, and now it is moving up. Ideally, your stop loss can be below this, and you can see how far it can go. It can go up till here for sure, till this level, because this was your previous area of support. So this can be one level where you can hold and see what is the market, or there can be one big candle from here and it can break from here. So that can also happen. So be watchful of it. RSI is still above 50 on a daily time frame. Okay, so this kind of candles, when they form at a super trend, they are super reliable, and they give you a good buying entry above this candle. If you see this kind of candle, the next candle crossing this high, you should take a buy entry, and your stop loss will be this. So what you lose is this candle, and this candle on a daily time frame will be pretty big. But if you are a swing trader having a big capital, you can definitely do that. Otherwise, you can definitely create an option strategy which can be bullish on the forward side. So I will tell you what kind of strategy you can create. So let's go to the option chart right away. Okay, so I have just created that to save time for everybody. Okay, so what I did, I will try and explain it to you. So here, first let's understand the logic of this trade. We are saying market is at 32,900. Okay, 32,900, market is standing here today, right? Friday closing was 32,900. Now you are expecting the market to go forward on Monday or next week. So when the market starts going forward, any inch movement from here, see this T plus line is going up. So you're going to make money, 315, 320 and all that. And we have 3 more days left. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and 4th is expiry. So Thursday, till Thursday expiry, if market remains anywhere here or it goes out of this range, you will make 664 rupees. If it stays in this range and expires here, you will make 5,314 rupees. So you are safe in any direction. Even if gaps up like 1,000 points, you will make a profit of 480, 500. Okay, so that's the beauty of this strategy, because most of the times I teach you to do a strategy with lesser risk, but it will be a pyramid in between. But if market gaps up, there is no profit for you because it's very little. So in this way, this is only for one lot which we are talking about. We can increase the lot and check, but let's understand the logic why I have done this and what I have done. So this is an option chain for Banknifty. We have, this is for 12th May. We have all the strikes here. So what I have done, since my view is bullish, so what I have taken is I have taken the at the money 32,900 call. Okay, this I bought. Then I added 300, and then I bought. Then I sold a 32,200. Then I added 300. Then I sold a 32,500, and then I added 200 points, and then I bought a 33,700. Okay, I hope this is clear. We have bought this, sold 2 strikes which is 32,200, 33,500, and bought one which is 33,700. So we are doing the same butterfly strategy, but we are doing it only on the call side. Okay, so you can do it on the put side as well. This can be applicable there as well, but that will be on the downward direction. So here we are doing it on the positive side, which is bullish direction. So what happened? I have bought a 32,900 call, then sold a 33,200 call, and sold a 33,500 call, and 33,700 call. So this will give you theta decay, and this will give you hedging towards any positive movements which happen in the market. So if there is gamma, then you will get this entire thing, and this can give you good money. If it is theta, if the market doesn't move, then you will remain to get this complete expiry, a profit. So here, what is the probability of profit? It is only 47%. Your max loss is 2000, max profit is 5000. What is the RR ratio? You are getting a 1:2 ratio. Your break even is, if the market moves 80 points from here, 32,988, you will start making money. So now what is the capital we have invested? We have invested about 32,904, right? So if you have 1 lakh, what are you going to do? So maybe you will take 2 quantity. Let's increase the quantity here and see the change in the payoff chart. You will understand yourself. Numbers will also change for you. Okay, so now maximum loss is about 4,000, maximum profit is 10,000. So this has become 10,000, which got doubled from 5,000, and this has become 1,300. And what is your estimated margin? It's only 65,000. You have not even consumed 1 lakh. So let's see, if we have 1 lakh capital, what is the quantity we can invest in this, and what is the minimum profit we can expect? So 3 lots, let's try 3 lots. Okay, now we have done this on a 3 lot. Let's see how is the graph going to look. So wow, so now the 10,000 has become 15,941. Max loss is about 6,500. Max loss will happen only if the market starts to go downward direction. That is also not on the first day. Look at this T plus 0 line. That means if Monday markets open, Bank Nifty opens with a gap down of say 1000 points, and it opens say somewhere around 32,100. What is the P&L loss you're going to have? 2,765. So you can cut your trade and create a fresh trade. Okay, that is a loss. If it expires here, you are not going to hold it till expiry if it is going in wrong direction. You are going to see if it is working, then this T plus, you take this maximum loss of 2,000 and exit and get into a new trade. So here we have invested about 98,000. So that means still not 1 lakh is used, still 2,000 balance is there. Probability of trade is 47%. RR ratio is 1:2.43. If market opens with 1000 point gap up, your profit will be 1,300. Okay, 1,300 to 1,600. Look at this T plus 0 line. That is your daily profit on Monday. Okay, on Monday this will be a profit. Okay, and if Thursday it expires in this range, then your profit is 15,940. If on Monday it opens up somewhere here, your T plus line will be giving you 2,000 rupees. Gaps up. Anywhere it goes, it will give you profit of say minimum 1,000 rupees on this. So you are making, even if you make 2,000 on an investment of 1 lakh, so that is about 2% of your capital. Right, so that is also decent enough. So this kind of strategy, it is a simple technique. Don't complicate your life. Analyze the market, see the direction, depend upon the kind of candles which is showing it to you. Okay, so if you get a candle like this rejecting from super trend, then definitely you can take it assumption that it is going to go up from here, because there's a lot of buying which has happened at this level. Okay, so this kind of wick form when there is a lot of buying from this level and the market closed here. So on this daily time frame it closed very positive, and even this candle supported that too, and this candle also, when this is an arrow range candle. So it is consolidating and wanting to go up, but the funds are not coming, looking at the situation in India. So this is the right time for you to actually put a strategy which can give you more money. So like this, you can trade with a proper hedging strategy and continue to take money from the markets. Even the profits are decent. If you don't make like 15,000, say assume that it goes here and expires here, even then you're making a profit of 2,000 rupees by just implementing 1 lakh, which is 2% per week. Okay, so which is also very decent return. You can beat the inflation with that. Okay, so this is the beauty of this kind of system, guys, and it is very easy for you if you're working and not having too much of time to look at the market. Just form a view for the week and keep this and do the trading, and assume that you have like 5 lakhs to invest. With this kind of safe strategies, you can definitely do. Let's see that you can put up to 10 lots and see what is the kind of money you're going to make in this kind of strategies. Let's see, 10 lots. What is the capital required? See, the beauty is that even if you lose like a couple of trades and take the T plus 0 losses, even then one trade which is going in your favor will compensate all the losses which you have incurred. See, so you have margin required is about 3,29,000. You can do a 10-10 lot on this strategy and make a decent 53,000 if it moves in your direction. And maximum loss is about 21,000. That is if it starts moving. So whenever you have high conviction, take this kind of a trade where even if it opens up here, you will make 5,000. 5,000 is a decent profit, right? So 5,000 if you're making, you're making a 1.5% return on this deployed capital, which is decent enough for you. Nobody will give you 1.5 return in like 5 days. So why not take this risk? If you lose, you will lose about, see, if it opens here, you will lose about 8,000 rupees, which is fine. Again, you put up a new trade with the direction of the market and then see where it goes. But when you have conviction that it is going to go up, so wait till at least for 1 day to see where it is going, to get a clear direction. Don't jump in and try to change the trade if it is not going in your favor. If you feel so much risk, then you can actually practice like this. That is my basic model which I have taught you in the previous videos. Here you are taking 1:3.88. Your view is bullish, but if the market gaps up here, you will end up making loss. And it starts moving up, you will end up making loss. Because here intraday you are not making profit. This line has to move up. So the beauty of is that if you put 33,700 or say 33,600, let's see how it looks. The profit will be more. See, it will immediately give you, T plus line will give you more profit on an intraday basis, okay, which can be much higher. You can try this as well. If it starts going up, also that will be, loss will be little higher, right? So to be on a middle ground and be safe, we have chosen a 200 point, which is 33,700. Simple. 1:2 you're getting. So even if you lose one trade, you will be able to make profit. So that's it, guys. That's it for this week. So please do let me know if any of you are interested for a one-to-one session. I don't want to be a crowded session with multiple people. I want to just focus on one person and then give them right kind of equipment and right kind of training for them to learn the markets. And if they're interested, they can generate consistent income from this. So do reach out to my Telegram handle at Sajid9966. I will leave that in the description for you to contact me. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.